how to change pickup location on Uber. You want to load up the Uber app, and once you have the app open, we'll just click on enter pickup location. So right here, this is going to load up the map, and you can zoom in, zoom out, and select your current location on the map. So click on confirm pickup once you have placed your marker here on the map. And also what you can do is click on the location itself, and you can set location on map. You can go to your saved places and also search in a different city. So I'm going to do search in a different city. Let's do Paris, and here you can change the different locations. So once you have done this, you will obviously need to type out your destination, so where you are gonna go, and after you choose your destination, you can book your Uber ride. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you guys next time.